a tree.
Which one?
That one.
Are you serious, Branson?
Yeah.
Where would we put that?
In the house.
There's no way you can cut that down.
Yeah, I can.
Can you drag it to the truck?
Yeah.
If you can cut it down, drag it to the truck, we'll take it.
Okay. Alright guys, you're watching Today's Adventures. Today we're at the Bailey's Christmas tree farm, and today we're going to chop down a real life tree. Come on, follow me. I think exactly the one we should get.
Does it really?
Yeah. I like that one.
Which one? This one? Which one you like, Cam? I thought he was going to that little tiny one.
Look, Daddy, look. That should buy salt on or it's a buck rub.
That looks like a rub.
I like this tree. No, I like that puppy one right there. Mommy, I like this puppy one.
He likes all of them.
I like this really. Ow!
I actually do like that one,
I
Bo.
like this one.
That's about the size we need, really.
I like this one, Mommy.
Follow you?
This channel. We should get this one.
Yeah, that's hurt. That hurt, Mommy. That's what Brad.
Which one do you like, Macy?
Which tree you like?
Get back here. Daddy, we should get this Christmas.
Can you drag it back to the truck?
Yeah.
Did you find the one you like?
Daddy, look at that giant one. Is that even a pine tree?
No, that's not. You like that one, Cam?
I like that one, but I think it's too big.
It's too tall,
I
man.
like this one beside of it.
You want two. Daddy, somebody cut a tree with two of them on it.
Too what?
With two Christmas.
Oh,
So what? Somebody cut one right here.
they beat us to that one, didn't they?
Look at
Yep.
this. Look, Daddy, there's like milk. There's like wax on that.
It is. That's sap.
It's cool.
Smell it. Smell good?
Definitely sap. Yeah.
Smell good?
I like this Christmas tree, Dad.
We'll go over there and look next, okay?
I like this
What is that? Macy, what is that? A tree?
Daddy.
What, baby? Cheese! All
Really
right.
big one out there. See it right there?
Can you handle that one?
Yeah. Come on, Cam. Let's go. Cut
Which one?
that one.
Are you serious, Branson?
Yeah.
Where would we put that?
In the house.
There's no way you can cut that down.
Yeah, I can.
Can you drag it to the truck?
Yeah.
If you can cut it down, drag it to the truck, we'll take it.
Okay.
Did you see a rabbit? Where did it go?
Food
Awesome. I didn't see it.
there.
You want to go get some hot chocolate?
Yeah.
You want some, Cam?
Marshmallows. No marshmallows.
No marshmallows.
I definitely want marshmallows.
Is it good hot chocolate? Oh, feed that baby a marshmallow, Mama. Is it good? Oh, Mom, she needs another one. You like that one, Cam? I think it's way too big. What do you think? No? It's a little one, ain't it? All right, boys, you ready to cut it down?
Yeah, what do I put on?
Is this definitely the one, Mama?
Yeah, Daddy, yeah.
Thank you.
All right, now we're gonna cut it down.
Yep, that's good. Try. Go.
Can you help me grab it?
All right. You tired? What if we cut down a big one?
Can I drag it?
Yeah, you're gonna drag it.
Don't we need to cut some of the top off?
It's cute.
No, but we'll take care of that at home.
Yeah, don't do none of that.
Here. Kimmy, you carry the top. Stop.
Go, Camo. You got it, man. Keep going.
Which way?
Hot chocolate face and all. You got to drag it up that hill to the truck. You got it. He said he might need a little help.
Come on. You want Bubba drag it up the hill? And then you drag it up there?
Now let him help you. Check it out, bud.
What does it do?
It bells it.
I need that.
You'll see when it comes out.
Oh, it wraps it up.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. How cool. Camden.
Guys, now it's time to go home and decorate it.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's adventure. I know it was something a little bit different, but this is the first real Christmas tree we've ever had. We thought we'd just put together a quick video to preserve the memory for ourselves, but also to share the experience with you. We also thought it'd give us a good opportunity to share something else. Our family loves Christmas. We love the trees, the lights, the decorations. We love the music, the movies, the gifts, the food. We love it all. There's one thing that we really love that we just don't seem to have the chance to do as often as we would like. So I'd like to do that now. And that is share the true meaning of Christmas and what it's all about. So I'm going to go to my Bible here. Luke chapter 2, Just skip down to verse 6, and it says, "And so it was that while they were there, the days were accomplished that she should be delivered. And she brought forth her firstborn son, and wrapped him in swaddling clothes, and laid him in a manger, because there was no room for them in the inn. And there were in the same country shepherds abiding in the field, keeping watch over their flock by night. And lo, the angel of the Lord came up about them, and they were sore afraid. And the angel said unto them, Fear not, for behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy, which shall be to all people. For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord." You know, that right there is what it's truly about. The greatest gift ever given to mankind, God's own Son in the flesh, a Savior in the form of a baby in a manger, given to all people to bring joy and peace and hope and comfort. And that gift is still very much available today. If you don't know this Savior named Jesus and you would like to, please reach out to us. You can, any questions you have, you can leave in the comment section. Also, if you'd like to ask some questions or talk more privately about it, I'll put a link to our 3 Areas Adventures Facebook page in the description. Go there and send us a message. Heather or I1 will definitely get back to you, and we would love to share more with you about him and what he is to us, what he's done for us, and share him with you. He wants to do the same thing for you. He was the gift given by God for all people, and that's what all this celebrating is about. So just thankful for the opportunity to share that with you today. As always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure and give us a like. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, that way you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching.